What's up everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to change the battery in this Ford F250 remote key fob. This Ford F250 key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2032, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement batteries if you're in need. The other thing I'm going to be using to change this key fob battery is a small flathead screwdriver. So the first thing I'm going to do is grab my key fob and flip the emergency key out like that. Then I'm going to hold the key fob with the buttons facing down, and I want to be looking at the side where that key just flipped out of. And if we take a look in here, you can see there's this notch that I'm touching with the end of the screwdriver. So what I'm going to do is put my screwdriver in that notch, and then I'm going to pry up like this. And as I do that, it pops this back cover up. Once we get that back cover off, we see our battery right here. I'm going to use my screwdriver just to get under the edge of the battery and pop it out of that little holder. Once I have my old battery out, I'll grab my new replacement battery, and you want to make sure that you're installing your new battery with the plus side up, positive side up. I'm going to tuck this edge in first like this, and then push that battery down into place. Then I'll go ahead and snap my back cover on, flip my emergency key back down, and that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.